Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Baruvini Designs. My name is Deepshikha. In today's video, I'm going to show how to do soldering. So this video is for the beginners doing school projects for PCB soldering. The equipments required for doing soldering are soldering paste, you also say it as soldering flux, solder wire. This is a solder wire. You can also buy a 10-gram solder wire if you are doing a small project. You need a wire cutter. So this is for the thicker wire, this is for the thinner wire. You need soldering iron. You need a wire. I have two bases on which I'm going to do soldering. This is the flat top and this is a hole point, which is a PCB. And this is my board where I am going to do a soldering. This is nothing but a bakelite. You require a sandpaper. If the solder iron is black, then you can use this for scrubbing. As the solder iron gets heated up, so I have this temporary stand where I make this stand. So these are the equipments what you require. So now I'm doing this LED light soldering. This is 100-watt LED light. It has a flat top. So you will start soldering. Before that, cut this wires like this and just rotate it so that the wires don't move. And I'll cut the opposite side also for checking. So I have cut these opposite sides as well. Take a flux and put it on the top of this. You don't have to put more. And same thing you can put on the wire as well. Flux is kind of a gum. So now my soldering iron is heated. So let me check. So when I put it on the flux, you can see the foam. And now you can take a bit of solder. On flat top, initially you have to put it on the top. Like this. Same thing for the second one. Then you put little solders on your wire also. Now we'll be putting on this L. And second one on N. So now these two solderings has been done. Let's check this out, and you can keep, as this will be heated, please keep it on the stand. I have this temporary stand over here. So I'm just checking this 100-watt LED light. As you can see, it's glowing. So now I'll be doing the PCB one, which is having a hole where you have to put wire. So I have this wire, small wires. Same, you can cut and just rotate it. And you can put a flux. And you just have to insert this wire on any of the hole. Like I'm inserting on the battery minus. And then just pull it down. As you can see, you just have to pull it down. And now using the flux and the solder wire, you just tap this. That's it. It's done. Same thing on the opposite side. And you'll just take a little. This is also done. So these are the ways how you can do soldering and on different surfaces. So the first one was my flat top soldering and the second one was a hole point soldering. This is how I do soldering at my company. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe my channel to see series of new videos. In my next video, I'll be showing how to assemble solar mobile phone charger using lithium-ion battery and LED flashlight. I hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.